That's why everyone is coming to South Africa.
So this is what happens in South Africa. In South Africa, ungena e-crash ulithi la kufuna ibhadale 400.
Yes.
Uphuma e-crash uyongena e-primary. Primary bakutshela ukuthi okay maybe ubhadala 300 ngeminyaka. Mara kunema uniform in between sports what nana uphume esikhomeni sakho. Uyaphuma e-primary yaku i-secondary khishwa lenye imali ma uniform nani stationery nani babuye bakutshela ukuthini bathini education is the key
To success.
awuzwa shaya khona lesilungu you understand uhambe uyoenda lo education is the key to success uwena level na N5 N6 wakho N7 wakho ejo bantwana baze ba graduate muntu in 4 years sone honors une degree sone honors so uyafunda akakaza span makaphuma uyofuna span bathini sifuna experience
so nangakhe
umsebenzi kude at that point ogijima 25 years so na 25 years bathi umsebenzi kude yingiloko in fine banike 370
370
yeah bakunike 370 nalama honors sakho yabona bakutshela ukuthi ngalo 370 ngoba uvula ibhizinisi ngalo 370 uthi zolo 370 wavula ibhizinisi span kude all of a sudden nine ngani yabona ukuthi hayi namtamati sibengazithengisa mos namtamati sigogo yalima mara lawa gogo siyawadla nombe ngazithengisa tamati zena khona ukuthengisa tamati la gogo ngobe nyoni ulaze bangani bakhe basemalawa bathengisa amatamatisi la uyabona so uthi ungcono bonyana benejani bahambe as soon as uthi bonyana abahambe igovernment imali yokuthi stop ukuthi bonyana bahambe ikhona
Cabanga mara kude le
$500 million
wena iningi le mali eva
$500 million Joe
azange ngitsembe kasi ngibuye ngilale sometime ngilale ngasi ngiyadigesta lenza
$500 million
ubuhlungu ne
kakhulu
ubuhlungu
ever since this guy angenile ku president yini kayindile for South Africa
bakhala eCape Town
Nevela ngazaqalele statement sakhe vele nje angazathi ngiyacima vele shem ngiyacima angikhona kumbeketelela nobani
let me tell you my dream bengisola into ishare this thing I dream one day ngikhuluma about this thing in live ngikhuluma ngokuthi Cyril Ramaphosa is a clone.
Clone, yeah. What's the
You know what's the clone?
I know what's the clone. There's supposed to be a real one. Where's the real one?
The real one is no longer there.
What happened to
no longer that you mean dead
No.
Vela akakaza
Ukhona but akekho kule White House. That's my dream. Mangiphupha ngikhuluma expose this thing.
Oh, you had a dream?
Yes, I had a dream.
Oh.
Expose this thing, expose ngiyanyamalala for 2 years. Lesikhathi se national elections yabo ngiyabona ngiye radio ngikhuluma about this thing ngibita wena expose yona basi nanga umuntu bese ngifuna ngani ngiyari ukuthi batho sibaya ukuthi live kanti lapho sengine nebantu abafana nabo manje majulana
Kage
yeah like crew like that
so protected
if ayibonakala ikho visible yabo
yeah
so mama yathi mangiphuma lapha ekhaya ndo phuma ngihambe ngesomewhere bangithathe you understand kanti babuke bona labantu abangithathayo bangithathe bangikidnape bangimixe ka Ramaphosa so babalandzela lapha bana idea ngisephupheni my brother
yeah
bafike ka Ramaphosa benenjani bangena phakathi mina ngani noma gate vele yabona laba bazuphe ne connection vele bazuphe nani bangene endlini yabo khishwe ibhamu ngalabana idea laba kama khishwe ibhamu nani
bafuna leadership
yeah balona akhulume Ramaphosa say madoda it's live lapho sifaki live but hey mina vele kudzala mina na clone I'm not the true Ramaphosa khiphe uyayibukela msama movie la yabo lama basimonishini impossible bazi bafaka you understand akhiphe nama mask amaningi kanawo lapha endlini kuthi mina vele selo so nemfato akavela asivele la koneka sona but now isebaya kusimlana nanimbaleke thatha umfato wakhe nebantwana sibaleke nabo
Oh, so Ramaphosa yena so
yadiveta liqiniso
ukuthi hayi phela lama angiteni
santeni mina
okay
mina angikho lo akusing you understand yes bangisebenzisa the original Ramaphosa is no longer in South Africa
okay
so ngihambe Mangihamba sibaleke nemfati wakhe ukuthi siphume nge-avance yabo. Sigcoke sonke njenge yabona
This stream is so detailed.
No, one day is going to happen something necishe isini
Okay.
Sigcoke vele njenge bafati somla emotweni. Siphamba nalabantu bangena